With agentic coding in Xcode, you can use Claude Code or Claude Agent and OpenAI Codex 5.3 in Xcode 26.3 for SwiftUI development. To get started in Xcode 26.3, you go to the toolbar and click Xcode. Then you select Settings. Under Intelligence Settings, you pick your provider, OpenAI, to access ChatGPT and Codex 5.3, or Anthropic to access Cloud Code Agent. You can also enable MCP to give your Cloud Code Agent and Codex 5.3 access to external MCP tools. To set up Cloud Agent, you first need to go to the Intelligence Settings and select Anthropic. First, you need to set up your Anthropic account, and with one click, you can get up and running with Cloud Agent in Xcode 26.3. The following shows you Cloud Agent in action in adding features to a weather app. Using this prompt, with the new conversation with Cloud Agent in Xcode, the agent is going to plan step by step about all the features it has to add to the app and list all the tasks, from understanding the project structure to all the Swift files that need to be modified. After listing all the files that need to be modified, it will also go to the Apple documentation and read about all the APIs mentioned in the prompt that need to be implemented in the app. So you have noticed it read about liquid glass from the Apple documentation. Liquid glass was one of the features in the prompt. So the agent will scrub the Apple documentation and read about all the aspects it has to implement based on the prompt you specify before it will start generating the Swift code for the implementation. So for this example, the agent is now editing the currently open file. It will add the feature that was asked in the prompt and also test it. After modifying the source code, it can still go ahead and build it to see whether things work or not. Once there is an error, it will just iterate and modify the code again. So it is going to make changes again to the code and rebuild it to see whether it works or not. Upon completing all the tasks you specified in the prompt, it will go ahead and summarize all the key features it added to the app. So you can use the Xcode preview to see the change in action. It uses WeatherKit for live weather information. Like the Cloud Agent installation, you can set up Codex just with one click. So we now have Cloud Agent and Codex configured for agentic coding in Xcode.